In the previous episode, we completely removed the fuel system from this Hilux pickup truck. The problem now is that the engine has already been removed. But an even bigger problem has arisen. This electric motor simply cannot be installed in the original car's transmission. As you can see, the whole positions, dimensions, and the shaft of the motor and the gearbox are different. If you force them together, the gearbox is very likely to be damaged. Every dimension affects the final installation. Even a slight error can cause the entire system to fail. We need a special adapter plate. It's responsible for connecting the original gearbox to the new motor. The plan appears to be complete. However, we don't know if it will be successful until it's actually manufactured.